Hello gang, so what is up? And today it's a cool little Monday. Just came back from Plymouth and yeah, I kind of slept in a bit because tired from traveling back late night. But now we're doing the New York session because I missed out on London session. There was no trade opportunities, luckily anyway. So yeah, let's smash the week, shall we? Let's go! Guess what we fucking did? Fucking passed the prop firm. Fuck yeah. Fucking. This is what I am. This is what I am. Well, I must say Monday has been pretty good. So let's take a look at what's happened. So now I have closed my personal account trade. I closed the funded account up here because that's all I needed to pass it. And this is my personal account. So you can see my personal account, that's 1.2 grand. Another 1.2 grand. So yeah, we have been doing pretty well, I must say. And damn, man, I feel it. Dreams into reality. If I withdraw this money and it hits the bank account, I've made 4K this month. God damn, think about that. I made 4K. And also, I'm a little bit annoyed because although I passed this prop firm challenge, I had another 100K account that's on phase 2 as well. And that would have taken me to the 5,000 mark actually, but it's not actually connected properly because I accidentally used my investor password in my Traders Connect, so it couldn't use my account and copy it. So now I've changed it, so now any future trades will be copied. Watch it just be losers, right? Crazy. Just because of how it goes. But yeah, so one account I passed, the other account didn't take the trade unfortunately. But I might put the funded account to the side until, I pass that account. And then we'll see how it goes. And then I'm going to risk 1% instead of 2% for my funded account. So yeah, that's a Monday, and that's a wrap. Yeah, so it's just gone past 5:30, and I can't lie, I couldn't sleep. Don't know why, but hey, probably because I'm so hyped up about passing phase 2 targets. So yeah, hopefully today will be all right. Although I'm very tired, just gotta crack on. Gotta get my trading, editing, get my workout in, all of that today. So hopefully it'll be a good day. Still waiting on the withdrawal to actually confirm. Still waiting on Aquafunded to give me some more information on, the live funded account. So yeah, we'll see. And hopefully it'll be a good trading day, as always. So I just came back from a nap and, well, I think I'm going to take the hit for the gym today. And I'll probably do something else instead. But anyway, finished the trade. Now I'll take you to it. Well, it was a break-even trade. This was Tuesday. Tapped into zone rejection, came up, break even when it tapped into that zone, came up a bit, ran down, took me out break even. Now, that was Tuesday. Just extremely tired from waking up pretty early, so I decided to take a bit of a rest. I will be, hopefully, awake and lively for New York session, so we'll see how that goes. Well, you'll never guess what I got hanging above my bed. My Aquafunded certificate, because I'm a funded trader now. 100K as well. That's some gold smashed right there, I'll tell you that. Anyway, I need to get to bed, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Well, good morning, and it is a good morning because today is the first day I am going to be trading the markets with an actual live funded account. Let's go. Now, I'll take you to the market. So I'm looking at GJ and, essentially Asia high, but I'm a little bit of an idiot. I wasn't there pre-session, so, a little bit rushed doing this analysis because I woke up late like a fucking idiot. So yeah, get out of bed before 8 o'clock, mate. Maybe that's the plan. But now if I look at US 30, US 30 is looking pretty nice. So this is the previous day's high and low. And funny enough, it actually matches with this zone. And the low also matches with plenty of US low zones. Rejected here, 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 and even, probably could even say here, where it pushed up, came down, rejected it again. So that's a very nice zone. And then we got a very, very nice zone. So honestly, I'm just looking for a tap here, tap there, or even a break and retest from either side. So we'll see, we'll see. Well, let me just give you an update. It is now Thursday, and I didn't really get out of bed for London session. I know, 2 days in a row. I did come home from work around 11:30, and yeah, I started eating some sausage rolls at the end of my work shift. And a little pro tip: don't eat before you go to bed, because you want to wake up refreshed and well rested. So you want to let your body actually recover in the night, rather than, you know, spending the energy digesting. So yeah, don't, at least have your last meal about 3 hours before you go to bed. It's a pro tip. But yeah, no, really, just haven't been on London session. Anyway, there wasn't opportunities missed, but regardless, I should have been there anyway, because you're supposed to be a disciplined, consistent trader. But hey, we move, right? We learn, we move. Can't slack now that I'm funded, right? What am I doing? What am I doing? But yeah, I'm on the way to the gym. Hit a good push workout, so yeah, I'll update you anymore if there's any trades today, but chances are it's not. It's a PMI day, so lots of news coming out, especially around New York around 2:45, so US 30 might be quiet today for me. Anyway, I'll catch up in a minute then. Right, so I'm back. I'm trading US 30. Market's looking quite nice. So let me show you something. So this is my zones. So I got the US low, US high, but with this zone, let me just drag it out for you actually. Let me just, all right, so just dragged it out there. So if you look back in time, US respected this zone there, respected it here, respected it there, respected it there, respected it there, respected it there, and respected it there. So it's actually quite a nice, solid, strong zone. So what I'm looking at is hopefully a tap in, push off, or a break and retest. But I've got to wait because 2:45 is PMI day. So I'm going to wait. Hopefully there's a setup after 2:45 I can take. And it's such a strong zone. Looking like a beautiful, beautiful trading opportunity if it plays out. We'll see. Oh, I'm jealous of my siblings just playing Minecraft, you know, not caring the world while I'm out here stressing about my trade hitting stop loss. Yes, I know. Let me tell you, it does sting taking a loss, especially when it's your first trade with your funded account. But hey, it's only 1.5% loss I took on my funded account, and it was a slightly bigger loss than I usually risk, a slightly bigger loss from my personal account as well, because this trade set was a quite big stop loss. Let me show you. Yeah, pretty damn big. If I waited a little bit, I could have had an entry down here, so then I could have mitigated at least like 40 points off my stop loss. So then, yeah, might have had a smaller loss that way, but still, at the end of the day, it was a setup. Just sucks that it turns out the trade I took is an L. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see what the next week's got for us, because well, we got tomorrow, and then we got next week, and then that will wrap up October. So we'll see how it goes. I've just been chewing all these creatine tablets like for the whole day, because you know that trade was nerve-wracking. My God. Oh, it's just like stress eating creatine for some reason. I don't know why. Probably shouldn't be doing that. Well, we are here, last day of the week, and well, I'm ending this week with 1.5% drawdown with my funded firm. But anyway, I woke up this morning and realized it doesn't really matter, because with good risk management, you are going to experience drawdown at some point. It just so happens that it was the first trade I took on my funded account, but hey. And feeling all the stress and like cortisol going through, and yeah, I'll tell you what, it doesn't feel good. But I have to realize that whatever emotions I'm going through, whatever stress, whatever, there are people who are much bigger than me, who have doing this at a larger scale, are probably feeling what I'm feeling 10 times worse. So just got to remember that, really. And like, it's only gonna come, right? It's only gonna get worse the bigger you get. So yeah, with all this going on. But yeah, no, I mean, yeah, you're supposed to handle drawdown because that's what traders do, right? Every trader goes through it. So I'm not unique. But anyway, I've got a new supplement stack actually that arrived yesterday. So let me go through it with you guys. Right, so first one, the classic creatine. Take it in tablet form because I don't really want to drink water that's filtered with creatine. Just pop the pill. So yeah, still got a bit of the black maca left. Good for your circulation. Creatine, I'm doing that for the workouts, the fitness, the health. Got a tiny bit of ashwagandha left, but I'm probably not going to use that because I got a new shipment of ashwagandha now. So we got, from the Healers Lab, we got Tonka Ali and Fedosia agrestis. So if you watch, Andrew Huberman, he says to take this in this exact dosage amount. So yeah, they know. They probably watch Andrew Huberman as well. It's probably how they came up with the formula. There we go. Turkestrone, because why not? I just got a pack for muscle building and testosterone. So yeah, and finally again is ashwagandha. So that is everything I will be taking, and I've got a monthly subscription. But the thing is with like stuff like ashwagandha, like you need to cycle on and off them. So I have just come off like a cycle. Well, it sounds like I'm taking steroids. But yeah, no, I cycled off ashwagandha for like probably the past 2 months after taking it for like 2 months. So we're gonna get back on it. We'll see. Creatine is the one thing that you don't need to cycle on and off, but the rest, typically, I'd say you want to cycle on and then have an off period as well. All right, Saturday. I'm gonna end off with this clip, but yeah, no, ending with technically a £400 profit for the week, but -2% in drawdown with a funded account. Now that doesn't feel great, but you have to remember, right? I just realized this, that it is the drawdown periods is what creates your character as a trader. Now, yeah, and I just got to take it as development, and every trader is going to go through this. Doesn't matter if you're like a very profitable trader, you will be seeing yourself in the drawdown throughout your career. So yeah, although I had a very nice month so far, maybe I'm just exacerbating the situation with the last 2 days of the week by saying taking back-to-back losses, which is not ideal. But then yeah, did that last week as well, 2 back-to-back losses, and then had a winning trade that covered all the losses and more. So maybe I'm just taking this to the extreme and like just blowing out of proportion, because I am living in the moment now, and rather than thinking about long term. But it is very nerve-wracking when you've just taken losses, right? Your mind starts to think, right, has recency bias, so starts to think that's what the future will look like because of recent evidence rather than taking account the whole picture. But yeah, I hope you are finding the insights in this. But yeah, I think I'm going to do some live streaming during US 30, and that's I put a poll up and most of you guys are saying to do it, so I will be doing it. By the time this video gets out, I'll probably have had one live stream on that Friday, the 1st of November. So hopefully you'll be there, guys. Peace.